In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Calendly Stripe integration, a smooth and essential step for anyone looking to streamline appointment bookings with direct payments. This process will allow you to effortlessly connect your Calendly account with Stripe, enabling you to collect payments seamlessly when clients schedule time with you. First, ensure you are comfortably seated in front of your computer or have your mobile device ready. To begin, navigate to the Calendly website using your web browser of choice. Once there, log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have a Calendly account yet, be sure to create one as this will be vital for the integration process. Logging in brings you right to the hub of your scheduling management. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the main menu found on the dashboard. Here, you'll want to find and click on the section labeled Integrations and Apps. This section serves as the gateway to connecting a variety of tools and services that can enhance your Calendly experience. As you browse through the available options, your goal is to locate Stripe among the list. Stripe is an incredibly flexible and secure online payment processing platform that allows you to handle payments from around the world. Having found Stripe, the next step is to proceed by clicking on the Continue to Stripe button. This will redirect you to a new page where you'll see an option labeled Connect with Stripe. Click on this button to start the integration process. Connecting with Stripe means consolidating all your online payment processing into one efficient channel, making it easier for both you and your clients to handle transactions. Now, you'll be prompted to log in to your Stripe account. If you're new to Stripe, you will need to create an account first. Stripe's user-friendly interface makes this part of the process straightforward, guiding you through each step. But if you're already a user, simply enter your login information. By logging in successfully, you're advancing towards your goal of integrating these two powerful platforms. Once you've logged into Stripe, make sure to peruse through its terms of service, as it's important to be well acquainted with the service agreements of any platform handling your transactions. Once everything is in place, Stripe and Calendly will sync, allowing your clients to pay you directly when they book an appointment on your Calendly calendar. This integration dramatically reduces the hassle of manual invoicing and payment tracking, freeing you up to focus on what truly matters, your work and your clients. That wraps up the integration process. I hope this guide has been clear and useful for you. This integration marks a significant step in optimizing your business transactions, providing both efficiency and convenience. Peace. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.